Hey guys, welcome back to Bonsai Crazy. Now, we are going to do another pot series, and this is the lump of wood that I have, and it's absolutely stunning. The bark on it is just amazing. I was going to peel it off, but the bark's just too good for me to do that. It's a proper old bit of branch, this. This will be going, just not yet. And we are gonna make a pot out of this. So I hope you enjoy this series, and without further ado, let's get on with it. First off, what I've done is I've chopped the bottom off and made it so it can sit here nicely. I haven't put it on the wood yet. The wood comes off, and that's the first thing we're going to do today. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cover it in fiberglass cloth. That's the bottom of it, mind you. Cover it in the fiberglass cloth, and then I'll put some cement over that, and then I shall fix the base then to the log, or the log to the base, and we'll go from there. So let's get started, and we'll get this cloth on this bit of wood, and I'll be right back. So guys, that's all done. Could do with a couple more staples in there, but that's fine for now. The next thing we need to do is I need to cement the bottom and the sides of these. So that's the next thing on the list, is to get some cement on these, because I'm just gonna find it easier to do it this way round than to put the wood on first and then do it while it's all upside down. It'd be much easier if I've got it all flat and stuff. So I'm gonna get set up, and we'll get some sand and cement on this. So right guys, I'm all set up and I'm all ready to put the cement on this. I'm not going to bore you with that. I'm just going to come back tomorrow after all the cement and stuff is set, and I'll start the video again, or I'll do another video on it. I'll do a video each day that I'm actually making it. So please follow along, and I hope you enjoy it. So, as ever, please like and subscribe. Follow my craziness throughout the years, and I'll see you next time, guys. Ta-da.